This is different. This is the Penang and this from Pink.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So like, so you got electric fans and a lot of plastic chairs, like smaller things that actually a little bit more difficult to do yourself, but you can do it in 3D and do it well. Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you.
I'm from Australia.
Australia. We are from Taiwan.
From Taiwan,
Yes.
and so you've been doing this for a couple of years now.
Sorry.
Been doing this for 2 years.
Yeah, around 2 years.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Some of it is really beautiful. I'll just come down and have a look at this. Yeah, very cool. You're all right. Sorry to interfere. Don't mean to.
Sure.
Okay. Just a customer there. Sorry if I don't want to disrupt customers. But just a quick view and just looking at the detail here, and absolutely fantastic. Like, you know, what people can do with this in dioramas. Yeah, very nice work. Thank you for letting me have a look at
Thank
your
you
stall.
very much.
This is Weirdo Models.
Yeah.
And
Models.
yep, so there's the QR code if anyone wants to look them up at Weirdo Models online on Facebook. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thank you.
Are you